Hey guys, it's John of Ron Hoover RV and Marine. I'd love to show you my 2018 SS218 Texas Edition. Great boat. You're gonna have fun with your family. This is the boat to go for. Come on board. Alright guys, well, as you can see, our Hurricanes, they were basically designed for families that like to fish. This way, you have your seat up front, you fish, you do a trolling motor off the front, but the important things, this boat is super safe. You're gonna have super tall gunnels. That way, if you have little ones, then you don't have to worry about them falling out. You get two loungers up front, co-pilot, pilot seats, and all this wraparound couch in the back. Great, great boat. This boat's fitted with the Suzuki 140, so if you want to go skiing or pull a tube, it's going to have more than enough power to sling somebody around. Thanks guys. This is my Hurricane. If you have any other questions about it, feel free to contact one of our 8 dealerships.